How's it going, everybody? Today's prompt is bongos. Which I'm pretty excited about, for the most part. Yo, how's it going? Getting attacked by cats today. Something went wrong. Oh. Okay. Looks fine. Let's put some reverb on it. If I throw in the sustain here, that sounds a lot more natural than bypass. Yep. Bongo up. Really, it's just gotta keep going down. Which means this here. Can be bongo left. As here can be bongo down. I guess I should probably go over what I define as deleting something. For example, when I'm naming something, I'm not going to count that as deleting something. How's it going? But like I was saying, anything other than just like naming something, like a file or a node, I'm gonna call that deleting something. I feel like that's reasonable enough. Okay. So. Ooh. Luckily, I don't have to delete that. We want to export each of our bongo noises. The 3 Parazone tiers have arrived. Yes, sir. Audio stream wave. Here's this thing. Nice. Whoa! Why did I do that? I can't change the name of it. Man. Guess we're commenting these out. I feel like the biggest problem for this is gonna be forgetting that the challenge exists. I think it's because he has a Dominus. Bongo down. First time in a while that I've used comments, and it's not even to actually comment my code. What a goated use of comments. Okay. If input dot is action just pressed UI up get the cache SFX stream. Ooh. Wow, we're trying to steal each other's crowns. What's weird is that the leaderboard's supposed to be like top 10. And it only has one person on it. I think I have to do that because I think it. Well, actually, it ignores white space, but I already have it, so I can't get rid of it now. UI left. Well, I should make that an elif. Permanently borrowed that crown. What does it mean to double permanently borrow it? You're up to there. H people. It's it's really like it's like jinxing it. The second you acknowledge the fact that there's a bunch of people, they all leave. That's so wonderful. We're just gonna have a bunch of these. UI right. I can copy up to here. This fix.play. Do that just for the sake of continuity so it doesn't look like I can't delete things. A billion times. 2 billion.
Three, two, one, go.
Oh, well, that's just wonderful. I did. Oh, wait, I know why. Oh. Bongo down, bongo left, bongo right, bongo up.
3, 2, 1, go.
We have drums. Quadruple it and give it to the last person. Oh, I guess that makes sense. Okay. It can be 2. Oh man. Cranberry juice.
Three, two, one, go.
That's wonderful. We're actually going to change this to an animated spread 2D. And I can't do that, but I can do this. And luckily I don't have to delete it to do that. We'll just... Oh yeah. Orange juice.
3, 2, 1, go.
Autoplay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I should probably do something else before that gets annoying. So, what happened was... the dragon and the guy with the Dominus... Yeah. Anywho. I was thinking about something. Oh, that's right, I kinda need an objective. For the most part, good. It's just kind of annoying because I have to comment out every single thing that isn't correct, which is just wonderful. You know, if I make the mistake of not leaving a line down here that's just empty, I can't, like, untab it. I can't unindent anything, which would be very unfortunate for the most part. Oh, well now I have to... How do I do it over here? Oh man. How does this work? Oh, but actually I can do that a lot easier. In fact, I don't even think I need this function. Because I think I could do a for loop that loops over the number of rounds I want. So say I in range 10. Start with 2 for now, just to make sure it works. I need some new UI elements. Add child node. Node 2D. Let's see. We need our arrows. All of these need to be top level. That's arrow up. I will say it's definitely easier than not being able to see what I'm doing. making a game, but I'm blind. Oh, that's right. Let's see here. Arrows dot visible equals false. I'm very tempted to hit the backspace. If I had time, I would have just disabled it, but I do not know how to do that. Arrows. Wait, why was I trying to give that an argument? A dots modulate equals color. Transparent. Save. Now I need to T dot. It's not a dot. T equals create tween. It built it and worked the way I wanted, so I literally remade. Ooh. I mean, a lot of the time, that's not even a bad thing. I can copy up to here. No, I can't. Yeah. T dots. Finished. Let's see here. There's way better ways I could have done this. Let's see here. I already have I. Let's do Q. 5. Var val equals randi range 1, 4. Sometimes it's better to start from scratch than to try to fix every little mistake. But sometimes you can't start from scratch. Let's see here. I was thinking about something. Yeah. That's what I was thinking of. We need of int. There we go. Correct. Nope. Me? That was probably the sound of me taking off the overshirt I had on. If I wasn't a tornado, I don't think I'd be able to hear it anyway. That's the same round. Oh, it does. Round and numb. Yep. Dang semicolon. Assume match. Val. How did I get ones? That was definitely where my tab key was. Well, because one of them's a comma. A semicolon is a dot and a comma. Because colon comma doesn't roll off the tongue quite as well. Believe it or not. That's right. T equals create tween. Modulate color dot white. Like half a second. And then we need to await T dot finished. We just comment that. And comment that again because
Three, two, one, go.
oh yeah. It could definitely be faster.
Three, two, one, go.
Left, up, right. No. I said it backwards. Okay. Is there dark gray? I feel like dark gray is lighter than than gray. It's definitely what it looked like. Well, that's news to me. I don't know what the advantage of that is. Dang it. Oh wait, I can just kind of put a white in there. Round over equals false. While not round over. If dark gray is lighter than gray, then why is white darker? What? Oh, I read that wrong. I thought there was a Y there. No, white is white. I could just be misremembering what color dot gray is. That's probably the case. Four. Let's see here. at export, var we need players. Needs to be an array of node2d. For p in players, if p dot finished, we can just do that. Round over equals true. Finish equals false. And then this playing here, I don't think we need it. Let's see here. We can have a variable I equals 0 while I is less than 5. If let's get the concert kerfuffle dot correct I equals 1, I plus equals 1. And for the most part we can just do this. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. We need this to be out here. For I equals 0. Now, in here, finished equals false. Oh, and what do you know? We definitely needed playing. If playing. Finished. Equals equals true. Gosh darn it. If I is greater than or equal to 5. And this should be a if I is less than 5. Okay. Now over here. For P and players, P dot equals true. P dot I equals 0. P dot finished equals false. Now we can do for P and players
Three, two, one, go.
down, down, left to left, up. Oh no. Oh, that's just gonna crash, isn't it? Yep. Oh my goodness. Well, that is not great. Oh, and that's just sitting there, isn't it? You're not supposed to be here. It's fine. Windows Task Manager got rid of it for me. Now let's try not to crash it again. I have a feeling that it happened because of that. So, here's what we're gonna do. We are actually going to take all of this and comment it out. Which I think there we go. Okay. So that is the first big problem of the night. how many lines is this? From 35 to 78. Oh, like 43 lines. Just gone. If game started. If round num is less than or equal to 2, how did I do it over here? Wait game loop, okay. And then that's just well, luckily this is a little bit more simple. Luckily. Okay. Function. It's crazy how I haven't gotten like one of like the simpler challenges yet. To be fair, it's been 2 days. But I have one that's just like, I can't use the color red. Or I can't use the color green. But no. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna get that I can't use conditionals. And it's gonna be miserable. Anything but making it easy, apparently. Let's see here. Final value. Can we get color dot dark gray? Probably like 1 second. Oh. So I don't have to delete anything. Does that line up right? No, I'd have to find a way to unindent that. Unless I indented all of this. Which would be pretty easy to do, so that's what we're gonna do. Just copy all of that. Because I'm a good 10% sure that that was not the problem right there. And I guarantee it's right here. Oh, you know what it is? I do have to have a processing. Because I need to wait. Okay. So I gotta look over here. For processing equals true. For D and detectives. Okay. And players. If P dot finished. Dang it. Now we need a if not round over and and playing equals false. That would make sense. Well, you know, this might actually be more difficult than not being able to see. Not being able to see was just painful. This one's just like actually difficult. I left not round over. For P in players, if P dot finished, round over equals. Oh. Looks like we actually don't need any of this. All we need is an else. P in players, P dot playing equals false, P dot finished equals false, and P dot I equals 0. And now, of course, if you give a mouse a cookie, And then of course we can do now at the beginning here we need to make sure that all of the players know that they're supposed to be playing. So for p in players p dot playing equals true, and everything else should be a-okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Aw, man. That's not supposed to happen. What? Oh. We'll just do elif round over a
3, 2, 1, go.
down, left, down, down, up. Okay. I feel like if spamming random directions is a viable strategy, then I have to fix that. Should do a node 2D. Call this arrow correct. Do this bad boy a sprite. Call that just sprite. So it's 4x3 here. Var velocity equals probably negative 48. It's okay. And then function ready I guess so. It is unfortunate. Also, did I delete a bunch of code? I don't think so, because that's just node 2D. And I think that just comes empty. And then that's over. Oh man. Position dot y plus equals delta multiplied by velocity. Await t dot finished. Q free.
3, 2,
Oh wait, I also need value. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. What did it start at 0? I think for frames it starts at 1. Which then would mean it'd be plus 4. So it'd be 5. E-frames equals 3. Sprite dot h-frames equals 4. Sprite dot frame equals val. Really had to put an E there.
Three, 2,
Well, that clearly didn't work. Wait, so if horizontal frames is 4, vertical frames is 3, and then frame 5 is not correct. It should be 4. But we do have to figure out why we're not seeing any change here.
three, 2,
Oh, and I know exactly why. T dot finished. Get that QE free.
three, 2,
There we go.
three, 2, 1,
14.
3, 2, 1.
Make this arrow wrong. Remove that script. Make a new script. Come over here. Control C. Nope, can only do that. And then plus 4 is 8. We're just gonna make it 0 here. It's like I can get away with doing that and do 0 here to start off. And then multiply, wait, add 4 for correct. And add 8 for incorrect.
Three, two.
Okay. Let's save this. Oh, what am I gonna do with these now? Because I can't delete them. I didn't think about that. I mean, I guess they don't do anything, I just make them invisible. Let's see here. Variable A equals, you know what we can do? Function correct, get the val var A equals preload arrow correct instantiate A dot position equals position A dot value equals val, and then get this, add child A. And now we're just gonna copy that for the most part. So we can do that. Can't really change that now. Well, I mean, we can. Yeah, we'll just change the name of the file to be incorrect here. Incorrect on instantiate. And now, of course, correct 0, correct 1, correct 2, correct 3. Else incorrect.
Three, two, 1, go!
Oh, you know what it is? Because up is 2. Ah, now I have to change that. Okay. So for down, 3 is correct. For right, we actually want 1. For left, we want 0. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Now all of these should be lined up correctly. Oh. I know what happened. And it's because I set it to playing up here, when in reality, I should be setting it to playing down here. I'll be damned.
Three, 2, 1, go!
Down. Up, right, down, right. Oh, I know why. Correct equals an empty array.
3, 2, 1, go!
Down, down, right, up, right. Up, up, left, left, down. See, I feel like that might be a little bit too fast. Ooh, the memorization king. Okay. Now I think next reasonable option is to add some people to go against, which aren't actually people. They'll never be people. Okay. Clanker. Or value equals equals 1. Just like that. And we do that for all of them. And we do value equals 2 and that's equals 3 and just like that though. Oh, I don't think I'm allowed to delete these. Here's what we can do though. We can make a new sprite frames. That looks exactly the same. And do that. This is just the region, so we can do that. Let's see how well this goes. And if I get like steamrolled, I'll change it up.
3, 2, 1, go!
Up, up, down, down, right. Oh! Oh, it's just not... This is not even possible. That's lovely. Okay. We'll make that 40.
3, 2, 1, go!
Even that is super fast. I guess there's a lot of frames in a second.
3, 2, 1, go!
Anyway, it's right, up, down, up, right. Now it's too easy. Let's do 80. 80 always seems to be a good middle ground for most things.
3, 2, 1, go!
Up, down, up. Okay. Cache that again. Not cache. What would it mean to cache that? Just do like 48, I guess.
3, 2,
I feel like that first one might have been a fluke. I feel like I might have screwed him over. Ooh. Say, why is he not playing sounds? Oh, probably because I forgot to do his sounds. Left, right, and of course, up.
3, 2, 1, go!
Down, left, down, 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 down. Might be the most viable strategy. Ah, never mind. I got cooked. Anyway. I will be right back. I'm back. I'd be willing to put money down that the stream was better when I was gone. That's definitely not true. Anyway, let's get these rolling. Jump down. The bungalows. Just like that though. Get this guy out of the way. There we go. Move this guy. Probably about here. And set the ordering to 1. Just like that.
3, 2, 1, go!
You know, it'd help if I actually signed all of these guys. Just like that.
2, 1, go!
Down, up, down, left, down. Start off here. Variable points equals 0. And export variable guild. Should be a sprite 2D. Guild.get child 0 dot text equals the string of the int of points lpad. Minimum length should be 2. Pad with character 0. And now, because it won't change, and I feel like in a way that doesn't actually count as deleting anything, because everything that was there before is still there. It was simply a shortcut. Now, key dot points plus equals 1.
3, 2, 1, go!
Up, down, we're getting steamrolled. I wasn't even paying attention. It's all me. This script couldn't be any more beautiful. Look at that giant dock string. My programming teacher would be proud. Let's see here. Because we can copy all of this over here. And just for the fun of it, sfx dot stream equals ongo up. sfx dot play.
Three, two, one, go.
There we go. I'm so locked. Anyway. Return. Just like that. And of course, how many rounds? Sue. You'll never actually know. Unless you were like counting the rounds, because there's nothing that's gonna like tell you. So we'll do 8. Game started equals false. Variable t equals create tween t dot tween property self modulate once I got a handle of not being able to erase things, it's definitely gotten easier. Because we are almost done. I'd have to figure out how to do the scoring. So variable winners equals that. For p in players and then to block after 4 if length of winners equals 0, winners dot append p. Else, nope, we actually don't want else. We want elif. P dot points is greater than winners 0 dot points. Winners dot append p. And then we need elif. These two are equal. That'd be erasing, so. Winners dot append p. Oh, we actually don't want it to be append. We just want it to equal a. That's with p in it. If length of winners equals 1, let's actually start by doing that. So we can have if winner display dot text equals nothing. For WN winners, text plus equals W dot guild dot name dot split. We can copy and paste that. Not all of it though. Just that part of it. Get tree. Dot reload current scene. Now we should have game loop.
2,
There we go. Devlaugust wins.
2, 1, go!
It's pretty good. Everything works. My computer doesn't crash. I think that means that we can move on to, I would say, music. Yeah, music. I don't see any other sound effects that I could reasonably put in. So yeah, I guess music it is. I'm thinking something jazzy. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna scroll down to here. And we're gonna check out some of this jazz music as inspiration. And I feel like in like a concert hall, it would definitely have like jazz music. Okay. I think I have a good idea of what makes jazz music jazz music. What I was hearing. It's a really bouncy rhythm on a bluesy scale. And I didn't actually hear it in the music, except for when I was actually looking for it. Syncopation. So instead of it being on the beat, it'd be like there. Oh, and I can't even delete it. That's right. But I can move it around. I kinda like that. That's pretty tough. So I think we'd actually want to bring it down one whole octave. It's pretty tough. Not that is surprisingly not terrible. That sounds like the types of improvised jazz that you would see at like a just like a concert hall where people are walking in and playing. Which is kind of like the idea. Mostly because I think it's funny to use bongos in like a super fancy concert hall. But the bass is gonna be on probably a wood bass. New MIDI item. Let's just try to simplify this a little bit. It does sound a little bit messy for the most part. Yep. Okay, you know what? I just realized that I have been deleting notes this entire time. And I didn't even think twice. So, I don't know what to do. Probably just keep going and try not to forget. Probably best way to go about it. Pretty unfortunate though. But music's also hard because I'm not very good at making it. Just get like some trumpets. I feel like trumpets. What's nice is that I get to make this sound bad on purpose. It's like kind of the whole idea of the track. Oh yeah. That is beautifully terrible. And by beautifully terrible, I mean that is like terrible, terrible. Like, not even, like, good for my sake. You know? If I was unable to hear it, it'd sound pretty good.
Three, two, one. Three, two, one, go.
Oh, I thought that was... Nice. Okay. I mean, the game's pretty fun. But it does have this in its code. But at least we know that tomorrow I'll at least be able to see my code and I'll be able to delete things. We could lose the right to playtest, which would be pretty bad. And frankly, that's probably what we're gonna end up getting, because the wheel hates me. But anywho, we'll call this the finished result. Something we made yesterday as well. Just so that we got a good idea for the
3, 2,
poll that goes out tomorrow, so we know which one's actually better.
three, two,
Okay. That was Riverside Waves.
3, 2, 1, go! Three, two.
Anyway, there's a good idea of what both of them look like. Might actually mess with the background a little bit because we got Tom. Maybe add some more stuff. Like some shadows between the pillars here. Doesn't make a great deal of sense that there is no shadows. Oh, man, that's definitely considered deleting things. Really bad at following the challenge. But for the most part, I followed the challenge, so I will count it enough. Like, to be fair, what could have possibly been done if I wasn't following the challenge? Just becomes null and void. Have to restart. Just adding these slight drop shadows made it look a lot more realistic.
Three, two, one, go.
Clean sweep. That's crazy. Anywho, I fear that I have no other ideas for what could be added. Maybe drop shadows. Like shadows to all of the bongos. Maybe like a spotlight here. Which frankly we could copy from a point light 2D. And give me a boutique brawl. Point 3. Covers the entire screen, and then intensity will just be that.
3, 2, 1, go.
Well, it might be a little bit too easy now. We'll just do... We'll do 36. And hope it doesn't make that too difficult.
3, 2,
It's only 12 different.
go.
It made it too different. Okay. 42.
3,
Battle.
1, go.
Yeah, okay. That'll be good. Then I think I can't think of anything else to add, so I think it's reasonable to call it there. I do like the way this one looks.
2,
The
1,
background looks pretty
go.
sick. We could add like confetti and stuff. Make an entire amount of sense. Oh man. Not a viable strategy. Anywho, and we're gonna call it there. See you tomorrow for day 17.